Hey guys, we are going to do a review today of the Universal Complete Kit by Korky. I was having some problems with my toilet not flushing well and it for the toilet to be taking a long time to flush. So we're going to go through and see how I was able to put together the complete kit and install it from the beginning. Alrighty, I have everything put together. The new flush valve and all the technical terms I don't have. So, I have it attached. And we're gonna see what happens. I better keep that bucket there. When I turn the water on. Woo! Ah! Oh no! The water, it went everywhere. Okay, so the water came out of here. Okay. Okay, I figured it out. This little doohickey needed to be turned correctly. So, why is it doing that? It's going all the way up. It's supposed to lock into place. Well, that doesn't look good, does it? Okay, I have to keep the water pressure at a certain strength because the water pressure will push this out and lift this up for some reason. Like so much pressure is coming from it, it lifts this up. So when I keep it at this pressure, it's working fine and the water level is almost to the line. So I'm wanting to see if it'll turn off. Looks like it's not turning off. Sounds like it's turning off. Now that is weird. See? It's just going to continue to flow now. How is it supposed to lock in place? And then you have to turn off the water. This thing obviously is supposed to lock in place. And it says that it has a lock. Okay, I think I figured it out. So this device here had to be turned in such a way that the pipe thing, there's a locking system I can feel. And so now I'm pulling on that and it's not moving, but that does change how this tube is attached. So I don't think it's really important that it goes into this thing. And I don't think that's really important. So we'll see. Let me turn the water back on. Okay. I just turned the water back on and that thing didn't move. So let's flush and see what happens. Okay. Water is coming out of there, filling the tank up. Doesn't feel like there's any water coming from the pipes or anything. So there's the fill line. Okay, and then it turned off. And it's right there. I need to pull this up a little bit because I think it's supposed to be like 1/2 inch above. think. I don't think there's supposed to be any water that goes in there. Okay. Ow. So let me open up the tank. And let me see when I flush again what happens. Okay, I just really, I think it's working fine, so it have that plastic tube go into that overfill. I really don't know that that's a necessity. I'm good with it. Okay, so this was me putting in the complete kit by Korky, and it really works really well. I have found my previous kit was very slow in flushing and really would not discard all of the contents, and now it works great. I did have a little bit of problem with some of the fastenings, but if you fasten well, you'll find that it works really great. I've had great success with it. So I enjoy my Universal Complete Kit. Have a great one. Hope you enjoyed this review.